how to use this damn thing. Okay. I know I said I was supposed to put a video up. Ain't gonna be no video. Sorry. I would. Boot camp is great. Everyone's going. You're gonna you're gonna love it. It was a life changing experience for me. You know what I'm saying? Uh, yeah, I made it through. I just got out of tech school about a couple weeks ago. Um, I did buy the videos. I bought the DVDs and all the little photos and all that stuff I said I was gonna do. But as far as technology goes, I haven't quite caught up to it yet. Apparently, while I was gone, there's been some major things happening going on. I just got this new toy. I don't even know how to use it yet. But yeah, I do have everything I need to make the videos. So if I make them, you'll see them on there. If not, just don't be fucking hassling me to make another one. Yeah, I just did this because one person made wanted a fucking update, and I did feel like I did leave you guys hanging. So, Deppers, I love you, but you guys are gonna have to get your information from elsewhere. And there's like 500 videos on YouTube about basic training. So watch those, and you should be just as prepared as I was. And I made it through. So just the main thing is it's a head game. It's a head game. Don't let them in your head. You know, do what you're supposed to do when you're told to do it, and don't let them get inside your head, and you'll be fine.